Good evening viewers and welcome to Doordarshan Kendra Shillong. I'm Hazel Wajri and here are the headlines. National Register of Citizens for Assam declared, 19 lakh people excluded and 3.11 crore make it to the citizenship list. Union Minister of State for Housing and Urban Affairs Hardeep Singh Puri reviews flagship projects in Meghalaya. Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma attended the inaugural session of Shaping Young Minds organized by the Guwahati Management Association at the Nehru campus. And students from Northeast to witness moon landing of Chandrayaan-2 at ISRO headquarters. Final list of National Register of Citizens has been released in Assam. Names of 3 crore 11 lakh applicants have been included in the final NRC, while 19 lakh 7,000 have been excluded. The NRC is an exercise to identify Indian citizens living in Assam, a state marked by illegal migration from Bangladesh. The NRC State Coordinator's Office said in Guwahati that the status of both inclusion and exclusion can be checked online on the NRC website. Union Minister of State for Housing and Urban Affairs Hardeep Singh Puri yesterday held a meeting with officials of the State Urban Affairs Department in the presence of the Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma and Urban Affairs Minister Hamilton Dorling at Yojana Bhavan in the city. The Union Minister discussed matters related to key infrastructure projects to be initiated in the state and also reviewed progress of flagship projects which are being implemented in Meghalaya. While assuring full cooperation and support from the centre, the Union Minister also urged the state to submit the utilisation certificate from the various projects on time. Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma attended the inaugural function of Shaping Young Minds organised by the Guwahati Management Association at the Nehru campus, Shillong. Delivering the inaugural address, the Chief Minister said that the youth of the country are its greatest resource and that it is important to channelize the energy of the youth constructively. The young students need to open up and prepare themselves to meet challenges that they would face in the future. Nehru Vice-Chancellor Professor S.K. Srivastava also spoke on the occasion. Altogether, 700 students and 50 faculty members from different management schools and departments of the Northeast attended the one-day program. India's second lunar probe, Chandrayaan-2, is all set to reach a polar, synchronous orbit around the moon tomorrow. ISRO, in a release that the final round of the lunar-bound orbit reducing maneuver would be held by 6 p.m. tomorrow to reach the circular part. 2 students from the Northeast have received an invitation from the Indian Space Research Organisation to witness the moon landing of Chandrayaan-2 live in its headquarters in Bangalore with Prime Minister Modi. Ribaith Pawa, a student from Ramakrishna Mission School, Saura, Meghalaya, and Lige Basar from Vivekananda Kendra Vidyalaya, Oyan, Arunachal Pradesh, have been selected for this unique opportunity for their stupendous performance in the quiz competition organized by ISRO. Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma yesterday inaugurated the Silver Jubilee celebration of the Sacred Heart Boys Higher Secondary School, Shillong. Speaking on the occasion, Chief Minister told the gathering that out of 9 lakh eligible youth in the state, only 2 lakh are fortunate to receive school or college education, adding that the government is putting all its efforts to increase the number of schools and colleges with the special emphasis on higher and technical education. The Silver Jubilearians from the teaching faculty were also felicitated by the Chief Minister on the occasion.
Linda Marshall from Marmite Presbyterian Higher Secondary School.
In second place, Jesper K. Salyan.
It's been a long 25 years, as Father Marvin was mentioning, and started with just 3 students, and now it has gone up to hundreds and hundreds of students. So at the very outset, I would like to thank and most importantly congratulate all the principals in the past, but the other principals who have contributed, the teachers who have contributed to make this school what it is today.
Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma today felicitated the meritorious students of their various board examinations with the Tirot Singh Best Student Award 2019 organized by the Akhil Bharatiya Vidyarthi Parisad, which was held at Ususutham Auditorium. Speaking on the occasion, Sangma urged the students to be focused in their studies and to follow their passion to be successful in life. Noted columnist M.H. Mormont was also present on the occasion.
As a key intervention because related to people, and in that regard is being felicitated. I request everyone present here to kindly give
a freedom fighter, a person with true values to this award speaks immensely about what the intention of this award is. That we are here to learn from the values of our forefathers, our freedom fighters, people who loved this nation.
And now for the weather report. Maximum temperature 24.3 degrees Celsius, minimum temperature 17.2 degrees Celsius, relative humidity in the morning 85% and in the evening 88%, rainfall 3.1 millimeters. Forecast: Shillong and its adjoining areas will have generally cloudy sky. Now let's have a look at the headlines once again. National Register of Citizens for Assam declared, 19 lakh people excluded and 3.11 crore make it to the citizenship list. Union Minister of States for Housing and Urban Affairs Hardeep Singh Puri reviews flagship projects in Meghalaya. Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma attended the inaugural session of Shaping Young Minds organized by the Guwahati Management Association at Nehru campus. And students from Northeast to witness moon landing of Chandrayaan-2 at ISRO headquarters. Well, that's all we have for you in today's edition of the news. Do tune in tomorrow at the same time and same channel. Have a good night.